Yes, yes, get up, get up.
Who gave you bravery, sir?
Who gave?
Bravery. Braveness.
Courage. Well, you see, courage you have. You know, courage comes from knowledge. Hello, you fellow, ask a question here. Look at me. You repeat with me, knowledge. Repeat with me, knowledge. Repeat, knowledge is equal to creativity
Creativity
plus
plus
righteousness
righteousness
plus
plus
courage.
courage.
So knowledge comes from courage. Okay? The question, last question here. Last question.
The
Last
best brain of the nation may be found from the last benches of the classroom. Sir, could you please tell us what made you to believe in the last bench students?
Where are you? Repeat your question.
The best brains of the nation may be found from the last benches of the classroom. Could you please tell us what made you to believe in the last bench students?
Because I was the last bench.
Even I do, sir.
Sometime on the last bench. Most of the time on the first bench. But I felt the last bench and everybody has got some knowledge. Every human being has got some knowledge. A great teacher, a good teacher, his way of teaching, his way of interacting with the student, he doesn't care whether you are the first row or the last row. For him, everybody a student. For her, everybody a student. Okay? So friends, with this I will say, all of you repeat with me that where there is righteousness in the heart, there is beauty in the character. When there is beauty in the character, there is harmony in the home. Who will give this righteousness in the heart? Before 17 years, afterwards very difficult. When you reach 17, another plus 30, 3 years, 20. You can get righteous in the heart. Righteous in the heart only gives 3 people. Who are these 3 people? Can you guess? Yes. You got only 50 marks out of 100. Correct answer is father, mother, in a spiritual environment. In a spiritual environment. Why you are silent? Father, mother, in a spiritual environment. And the third person, the great primary school teacher. So friend, wish you all the best. God bless you. Come. What is the question? Start.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Which class you are studying?
I am studying in 10th standard. My name is Gayatri Mohan.
10th standard.
Yes, sir.
Next year, what subject you will take?
I wish to take Biomax.
Why bio?
I am interested in biology and...
Biology, or you want to become a doctor?
My ambition is to become... I want to study more on aerospace engineering.
You are become a life scientist, right?
Yes.
Very good girl. Okay, yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
So my question to you is... A journey from Rameshwaram to Rashtrapati Bhavan is indeed a great achievement which no one can think of.
You are giving a lecture now. What is the question?
Sir, I would like to hear from you a few tips for the upcoming generation to succeed in life.
Well, succeeding life, I have already told you.
Yes, sir.
You have to do 4 things, okay? Number 1, repeat with me. Number 1, you repeat.
Number 1,
great aim.
great aim.
I will have great aim.
I will have great aim.
I will
I will
continuously acquire knowledge. Continuously acquire knowledge.
Continuously acquire knowledge.
Oh, I will do hard work.
I will do hard work.
I will persevere
I will persevere
and succeed.
and succeed.
Okay, that's the mantra.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.